Imagine stepping into your backyard and plucking juicy, sun-ripened blackberries, bursting with flavor, right off the vine. No more expensive grocery store berries, no more wondering about pesticides. Just pure, organic goodness, grown by you. Selecting the correct blackberry variety is crucial for success in your North American garden. Blackberries are generally categorized into 3 main growth habits: erect, semi-erect, and trailing. Erect varieties are self-supporting, while semi-erect and trailing types require a trellis or support system. Consider thornless varieties like Navajo, Ouachita, or Triple Crown for easier harvesting and pruning. These are popular choices known for their excellent flavor and productivity. Always check your USDA hardiness zone to ensure the chosen variety will thrive in your specific climate. Blackberries demand full sun, meaning at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Choose a location that receives ample light throughout the day. Good air circulation is also important to prevent fungal diseases. They prefer well-drained, fertile soil with a slightly acidic pH, ideally between 5.5 and 6.5. Amend heavy clay soils with compost or other organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. A soil test can provide valuable insights into your soil's specific needs. The best time to plant blackberries is in early spring, after the last danger of hard frost has passed. Dig a hole wide enough to accommodate the root system comfortably. For bare root plants, spread the roots out gently. Plant them at the same depth they were growing in the nursery, or with the crown just below the soil surface for bare root plants. Space erect varieties about 3 feet apart, while semi-erect and trailing types need 5 to 8 feet between plants. Water thoroughly immediately after planting. While erect varieties are self-supporting, semi-erect and trailing blackberries require a trellis or wire system. This support keeps the canes off the ground, improving air circulation, reducing disease, and making harvesting much easier. A simple 2-wire trellis with wires at 3 and 5 feet high works well. Train the new canes along the wires as they grow. This organized growth habit will prevent tangles and maximize your yield. Proper support is key to a healthy and productive blackberry patch. Consistent moisture is vital for blackberry plants, especially during flowering and fruit development. Aim for 1 to 2 inches of water per week, either from rainfall or irrigation. Deep watering is better than frequent shallow watering, encouraging deeper root growth. Fertilize in early spring with a balanced granular fertilizer, such as a 10-10-10 blend. Apply it around the base of the plant, avoiding direct contact with the canes. An annual application of compost can also significantly boost soil health and fertility. Blackberries produce fruit on floricanes, which are second-year canes. Primicanes are first-year canes that will bear fruit the following year. Understanding this cycle is essential for proper pruning. After harvesting, prune out all the floricans that have finished fruiting, cutting them back to the ground. In late winter or early spring, thin out primicanes, leaving the strongest 4 to 6 canes per plant. Tip prune primicanes when they reach about 4 feet tall to encourage branching and more fruit. Blackberries are generally robust, but they can encounter a few common issues. Birds are often the biggest pest, so consider netting your plants as berries begin to ripen. Common diseases include anthracnose and rust, which can be managed with good air circulation and proper sanitation. Remove any diseased canes promptly to prevent spread. Organic fungicides can be used if necessary, but prevention through good cultural practices is always the best approach. Healthy plants are more resistant to pests and diseases. Blackberries are ready to harvest when they are uniformly black, plump, and easily detach from the plant with a gentle tug. Unlike some other berries, they do not continue to ripen after being picked. Taste a few to ensure they are sweet and fully ripe. Harvest regularly, every 2 to 3 days, during the peak season. Handle the delicate berries gently to avoid bruising. Store freshly picked blackberries in the refrigerator and consume them within a few days for the best flavor. In colder North American regions, some blackberry varieties may benefit from winter protection. After the first hard frost, you can mulch around the base of the plants with a thick layer of straw or wood chips. For trailing varieties, you might lay the canes on the ground and cover them with mulch or burlap. This extra insulation helps protect the crowns and roots from extreme cold. In spring, remove the protective covering once the danger of severe frost has passed. Growing blackberries at home is a truly rewarding experience, providing you with an abundance of delicious, healthy fruit. By following these practical tips, you can establish a thriving blackberry patch that will yield sweet rewards for years to come. Get started today and taste the difference of homegrown goodness.